Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on Kajabi. If you're looking to build a professional online presence for your courses, memberships, or digital products, Kajabi makes the process incredibly straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to kajabi.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Kajabi credentials. This will take you directly to your admin area where you can manage all aspects of your site. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure you're working on the correct one by clicking your site name in the top left corner. This ensures any changes you make are applied to the right project. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand navigation panel on your dashboard. Here you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Website Pages. This is where you'll be able to view all your existing pages and create new ones. Once you're in the Website Pages section, you'll notice a button labeled New Website Page. Go ahead and click on it. A pop-up menu will appear prompting you to enter a name for your new page. Choose something descriptive that reflects the purpose of the page, then click Customize. This action will direct you to the page customization interface, which is where the real fun begins. You'll now be on the page customization screen. This is your workspace for designing and tailoring your website to match your brand and business goals. On the left panel, you'll find all the tools you need to build out your page. You can add various elements like text blocks, images, videos, call to action buttons, and different formatting options. This flexibility allows you to create a page that truly represents your business and engages your audience effectively. Take your time exploring the customization options. You can drag and drop elements, adjust layouts, and fine-tune every detail to ensure your page looks polished and professional. Whether you're adding a headline, embedding a video, or placing a sign-up form, the left panel gives you full control over how your content is displayed. Once you're satisfied with your page design, click the Save button located in the top right corner of your screen. This ensures all your changes are saved and your new website page is ready to go live. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.